For shower and tub surfaces, Barkeeper's Friend More Spray is a safe and effective store-bought cleaner when used correctly. Barkeeper's Friend More Spray uses a gentle acid-based formula that removes soap scum, hard water stains, and mineral deposits without harsh abrasion, making it suitable for porcelain, ceramic tile, fiberglass, acrylic, and stainless steel when you follow a few key steps. Always read the label and follow the usage instructions, including recommended dwell time and rinsing procedures to avoid overexposure on sensitive finishes. Before full use, spray a small amount on an inconspicuous area such as the underside of the tub lip or a corner tile, and wait the specified time to confirm no discoloration or dulling occurs. Apply to wet or damp surfaces for best coverage, let the product sit for the instructed time to break down deposits, then agitate gently with a non-abrasive cloth or a soft nylon brush rather than a steel pad. Rinse thoroughly with warm water until all residue is removed. Then dry with a microfiber towel to prevent new water spots. For regular maintenance, use a diluted solution or wipe down after each shower to minimize buildup and reduce the need for stronger treatments. If you have silicone caulk or natural stone such as marble or travertine, avoid acidic cleaners on those areas. Instead, clean sealed stone with a pH-neutral cleaner, recommended for natural stone. 3 common mistakes are using abrasive pads on soft finishes, leaving cleaner on too long on sensitive surfaces, and applying acidic cleaners to natural stone or unsealed grout. Scrubbing with scouring pads or steel wool will scratch acrylic and fiberglass, so use soft cloths or soft nylon brushes instead and replace worn pads immediately. Letting the cleaner dwell far beyond the label recommendation can dull or etch delicate finishes, so set a timer and rinse promptly. Treating natural stone or unsealed grout with acid-based products will etch or damage those materials, so use a pH-neutral stone cleaner and reseal grout or stone periodically according to manufacturer guidance. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share real-world tips and product experiences. We help contractors find work by giving them a platform to reach homeowners and participate in project conversations.